To fix Wells Fargo Face ID not working, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Face ID and that the Wells Fargo app is up to date. Open the App Store, search for the Wells Fargo app, and check if there are any updates available. If an update is available, download and install it. Next, restart your device to ensure that any software glitches are resolved. Press and hold the sleep-wake button until the power-off slider appears. Then slide it to the right to turn off your device. Wait for a few seconds. Then press and hold the sleep-wake button again until the Apple logo appears. If restarting your device does not resolve the issue, check that Face ID is enabled for the Wells Fargo app. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode, and ensure that the Wells Fargo app is listed under Other apps. If it is not listed, open the Wells Fargo app, navigate to the Security settings, and enable Face ID. Also, ensure that your face is properly registered with Face ID. Go to the Settings app, tap on Face ID and passcode, and tap on Set up Face ID. Follow the prompts to re-register your face. Make sure you are in a well-lit area and that your face is not obstructed by anything. Another possible solution is to reset the Wells Fargo app. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Wells Fargo app. Then tap on Reset Wells Fargo app. This will remove all of your saved data, so you will need to log back into the app. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Wells Fargo customer support for further assistance. They will be able to provide you with additional troubleshooting steps or help you to resolve any underlying issues with your account. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Wells Fargo Face ID not working issue and regain access to your account using Face ID. Remember to always keep your device and the Wells Fargo app up to date to prevent similar issues from occurring in the future.